How to reset the oil life of the H2 Hammer 2005. Start. They have a change oil engine, and we turn off the car and on again, just on position, and put the gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. See, start again. All life reset. That's it, guys.
Ano na sir? Okay na.